Have you ever written some JavaScript code only to find that it doesn't behave the way you expected? It's frustrating, right? If you've ever wondered why your code isn't running as it should, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common issue with JavaScript's event loop. I totally get it. You write a simple set interval function to log hello every 2 seconds, but instead, you find that nothing happens. You're not alone in this confusion. Many developers have faced this exact problem. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user asked, "Why doesn't my set interval function log anything when I have a while loop running?" They noticed that the while loop seems to block the event loop from executing. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's happening here? JavaScript is single-threaded, meaning it can only execute one piece of code at a time. When you run a while loop that never ends, it takes over the thread, preventing any other code, including your set interval function, from running. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to avoid this issue in the future. To understand why the message hello is not printed, we need to look at how JavaScript handles the event loop and blocking code. The user has a while loop that runs indefinitely. Next, let's clarify how the event loop works. In JavaScript, the event loop allows asynchronous operations to run. However, if there is blocking code, like a while loop, it prevents the event loop from processing other tasks. To fix this issue, the user should avoid using a blocking while loop. Instead, they can use asynchronous functions or set timeout to create a delay without blocking the event loop. For example, instead of a while loop, the user can use a function that calls itself with a delay. This way, the event loop remains free to handle other tasks. In summary, the user should replace the while loop with a non-blocking approach to allow the event loop to function properly and print hello every 2 seconds. Fun fact, did you know that JavaScript was created in just 10 days? It's amazing how far it has come since then, but even the simplest mistakes can trip us up. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user offers a non-blocking while loop solution. They set a timeout to change a variable after a short delay. Inside the loop, they use a promise to allow the event loop to run, printing loop continuously until the variable changes. Here's the quick tip I promised. Always be mindful of blocking code in JavaScript. Keeping your code non-blocking will help you avoid frustrating issues like this one. And there you have it. Now you know why your set interval function wasn't working and how to fix it. Remember, avoiding blocking code is key to smooth JavaScript execution. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we tackle more JavaScript challenges.